Today's walking course starts at Euljiro Sogar Station, passes through Euljiro as Alizavian and Garlic, and leads to Jongno Samgar Station. The starting point is exit 2 of Euljiro Sogar Station. Alright, let's get started. Let's head into the alley. You can instantly feel the distinct Euljiro vibe. There's Daerim Hof, a sanctuary where office workers wash away their daily fatigue every evening. Since it's a cold winter, we can't see them now, but in warmer seasons, this place is lined with outdoor tables. As you walk around, you can still feel the traces of the past everywhere: printing, cutting, metal carving, and sparks flying, reminding us why this is called the Alley of Iron. Graffiti is visible everywhere. This has now become another signature feature symbolizing Euljiro. The red lighting looks like it leads to a secret chamber. This is 59 Stairs, a wine bar like a hideout that you can only reach by climbing, as the name suggests, 59 steep steps. Yes, the bar's name is literally 59 Stairs. The massive presence of Daerim Sangar standing against the backdrop of the alley is impressive. Let's go up the stairs and walk along the Sewun Sangar pedestrian deck. Now, let's take the elevator back down to ground level. Let's head into the alley. This is Kelim Dakdoritang, known to foreigners as the garlic bomb. Having guarded this alley for over 50 years, it is truly a legend of garlic. Hey puppy, what are you doing here? Filled with LP records, this is Jongno Music. It's a treasure trove of retro music, lined not just with LPs but also cassette tapes. It's especially fun to dig for specific albums since they have so many old Korean pop songs. I see exit 12 of Jongno Samgar station. That's it for today's walk.